Welcome to Document AI. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with our AI writing assistant. First, let's talk about the Write More feature. This is powerful when you're stuck or don't know what to say next. To use it, simply place your cursor at the end of the text you've written and press Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. Document AI will then read your previous text and generate a continuation based on the patterns and instructions it finds. Next, we have the Yaara command feature. This allows you to give specific instructions and prompts to Document AI so that it can generate text based on your specific needs. To use a Yaara command, simply write your command in the text editor, place your cursor at the end of the command, and press Ctrl-Enter. Document AI will then respond to your command and generate the requested text. That's it. With these simple steps, you can get started with using Document AI to improve your writing and save time on tedious tasks. Happy writing!